Hi friends, welcome to Queen's Collection. A warm hello from Team Queens. And today I bought you dress materials. Before that, I would like to say that please take care of your health and health of your family members. And dress materials what I bought you today are ranging from around about 480 rupees to 1340 rupees. Got many varieties in those, like cottons, I've got silks, I've got and fancy dupattas also. And if you like the collections, you can directly buy from our online site. Link of the site is given in the description below. And if you like, you can just ping us on our WhatsApp number also. The WhatsApp number is also given in the description. And if you ping us, our team will get back to you. And see, first piece what I'm going to show you today is in nice pastel chart set. What I'm going to show you today, the first pattern, beautiful green color top with a nice white color bottom. On white color bottom, we'll have this geometrical prints on the white color bottom, like Lahiriya type, and nice flower prints on the top with a beautiful dupatta. Dupatta will be around about 235 meters to 240 meters, 2.35 to 2.3 point with full panna. So it's a very big dupatta, and variety is very nice, and the range is only 480. I've got excellent set of colors in this. You've got this light beige color, biscuit color, light pastel pink, beautiful, and this gorgeous gray color, beautiful blue, a fine yellow, decent peach, and a very different parrot green colors. So all the colors are different, all the prints will also be changing, the bottom print also will be changing, but the rate will remain same. The quality is very fine. It's only 480 range. Very beautiful chart, value for money. Quality of the product is very high. The next variety what I'm showing is totally different variety, totally uncommon collections, nice variety. We'll have this navy blue color top with red color bottom. I've got set of 4 colors in this. We'll have nice navy blue color top with the red color bottom, the stripes, and beautiful French knot work done on the neck, and beautiful neck putty also is also very decent enough. And with this you'll have this red color dupatta with all dewdrops done over it. Beautiful variety. In this I'll just show all the colors, the range of which is only 560 range. Yeah, you can see the colors in this. You've got nice mustard color in this, beautiful gray color with all red color combinations, and this one more green color. Beautiful variety, beautiful concept. It's a very, very beautiful different variety altogether, and range is quite reasonable, 560 range only. See, the next variety what I'm showing you right now is in dark chart. So we have got all the things. You've got in dark chart, you've got in light charts, you've got in pastel chart. This is the dark chart what I'm showing you right now. Very beautiful navy blue color top, pure 100% cotton material, and very decent work done on the neck with French knots, mirror work, embroidery. So 3 kinds of work done on the neck, and print is also a geometrical print and very beautiful print. Bottom also will have this triangular geometrical prints on the bottom. Beautiful print bottom, and nice dupatta also. I'll just show you. Same triangular geometrical prints done all over the dupatta also. So excellent variety, and range is quite reasonable. It's only 560 range. Very heavy quality cotton material available in 560 range with work on it. You see this very beautiful green. You have got this red color also in this, and you have got this royal blue. You have got this dark sandalwood color, mustard color, Rama green color, Rama blue color again, and pink color. So all the colors are really different, really good. This is the color chart in this. And if you like this, we can get them stitched to your size. We have got in-house tailoring available at our place. We can get them stitched to your size if you send the measurements and send it courier to your place, as we have got worldwide shipping facilities available. And what the varieties I am showing you right now will be available for only 2 to 3 days maximum, because they are being sold on our online site also. Pieces are moving very fast. So beautiful red color top with excellent border at the bottom. So very different border at the bottom. You can use this border pattern in the sleeves or the neck. It look even more different and decent. You've got bottom in the same self red color, and totally different dupatta altogether. You might not be having this kind of dupatta. See, beautiful dupatta with red color border all on the 4 sides, and totally printed dupatta. Full dupatta, printed dupatta. Range of this is quite reasonable. It's only 610 range, 610 range. And colors what I'm going to show you in this are really different, all are different color charts. say this is different pink color, very different pink. Got this again a mustard color, different mustard, yellowish mustard. This is again greenish yellow, so both the colors are very different. Again a green color, Rama green color. You have got this orange color in this. So all colors are really different. These are all the colors in this. So excellent variety. All the set is totally different, and the range for this is 610 only. The next variety what I am going to show you is even more beautiful actually. Very beautiful variety at very reasonable range. You have got this navy blue color top in jute material with beautiful prints over it, small prints over it, and excellent neck pattern. Neck pattern also have different tailoring pattern at the neck. Nice grey color bottom and beautiful chiffon dupatta with full embroidery done. Embroidery is done with the thread is used with the color on the top. The range is only 740 range. In this I have got 4 to 5 varieties. I'll show you all the varieties in this. This is also similar kind of stuff. Beautiful different kind of stuff. This one again blue color jute material with print all over it. A nice tailoring pattern done. Green color bottom. Same 740 range. This one is also with beautiful embroidery done the dupattas. So excellent pattern, different variety altogether. Next pattern what I am showing is similar kind of range. This is also one more nice pink color, tomato pink color or crimson red color kind of a color, very different color. On this you'll have a grey color ikat print sort of print over it, a nice different decent tailoring pattern done on the neck. You can get any neck you stitched, any neck stitched for it. And you have got grey color bottom in this, and in this you have got a silk dupatta, not in chiffon dupatta, with same top color embroidery, top color thread used for the embroidery. So it will give a very nice look. It will complement each other. And range is again 740 range only. Beautiful concept. Next variety is also again very different concept. This one also nice grey color with a yellow color combination over it, with yellow color prints over it. So in this you will have a yellow color bottom and yellow color chunni. I'll show you those also. Beautiful tailoring pattern done at the neck. Nice yellow color print given on the grey color dress. The total combination is very new. And it will look very bright when you use bottom. When you use a mustard bottom with this, it will look very bright. And the range is 740 only, and you can see the excellent dupatta also along this. So quite value for money product. Range only 740 range. In the similar, I've got one more variety also. Nice light green color concept. The top is, you'll have a ikat print over the top, and you'll have a Rama green color patch on which you'll have again very neat decent embroidery over it, and the bottom is in contrast again, dark Rama green color bottom contrast, and dupatta is again very beautiful dupatta with all over embroidery buttas done at the dupatta. So varieties are really different, decent and very different, and the range is only 740 range. Excellent varieties. Now this is one more different variety what I am showing right now. Mustard color with pink color bottom. Truly a party wear combination. It looks very different, very nice, very beautiful. When you get it stitched, you'll have a very out of world look. So this is the top with very decent work done on the neck, very sober kind of work done on the neck with all pochampally print. And you'll have this contrast pink color bottom and a very beautiful dupatta, pink color dupatta with a yellow color thread embroidery. So pattern wise the piece is totally different. In this I've got one more combination, just opposite combination also. The dupatta is this action. This is the dupatta in this. This is the dupatta. This is one more combination, opposite combination. This is with red color top with yellow color bottom, and in this you'll have this yellow color dupatta. So totally different, and range is same 740 range. One more variety what I'm going to show you right now is very different value for money product. Don't miss this collection, totally different collection. This is Chanderi silk variety with small Banarasi buttas over it with excellent pure. You can see the neatness of the embroidery, very neatly done embroidery work at the neck, and contrast color used in this is red color. You'll have a red color bottom with this, and you'll have an excellent dupatta also. It's a beautiful dupatta, and range for this one is 750 range only. Excellent dupatta you're having with this. So this is the red color dupatta with yellow color batik over it, and in this one more combination is this pink color combination. This is the red color embroidery. In this 11 pink color embroidery, and your bottom and chunni will change to pink. So both the colors are really good for real party wear dresses. Range is only 750, quite reasonable value for money product. Next variety what I am showing you is a 100% cotton variety. Totally different color combinations in this set are really excellent. You can don't miss this color combinations in this set. This is nice navy blue color top with all Bande print over it and bit of a gold print given on it, and bottom is in this Rama green color, navy blue top, Rama green color bottom. Excellent color combination with an excellent dupatta, pure chiffon dupatta all over it, and got 4-side border in this, and the range for this is also quite reasonable. It's only 890 range. I'll just show you the colors in this. Beautiful excellent colors I've got in this. Totally party wear combination. This is pink with orange combination, black with red combination, and this one is with red with mustard combination. So pure party wear combinations, don't miss the collections. Quite the bright combination the set is. Next variety what I'm showing you is very different variety, very uncommon sort of variety, pure handloom variety. This one is with nice applique work done on one side of the neck, gives a very different decent look. It gives a very royal look, which you can wear this for small get-togethers, or if you go for in shopping malls you can go for wear this one. It looks very decent. Official wear also you can wear for offices and all. See, with nice batik dupatta, beautiful, and the range for this one is quite reasonable, 920 range only. So excellent piece for at that range. And as we have got total in-house styling available, we can get it stitched in courier to place in around about 1500. The total dress will be ready for you. Next variety what I am showing is excellent variety, one of the fast moving product in our store. Black and white top with black color polka dots over it, and the small embroidery buttas. This looks like in print, but these are all embroidery buttas, pure embroidery buttas. And even bottom in contrast, if you use this black color bottom for the neck pattern and sleeves piping or something, it look very excellent, very different. And chunni is also very different with polka dots, and you'll have crochet lace on both the sides, both the ends of the pure 100% cotton dupatta. And range for this one is very reasonable, actually it's only 940 range. Different variety. See, beautiful concept for 940. Next variety again what I'm showing is very different, uncommon collections. This one comes in raw silk with small weaving buttas all over the top, and excellent red color piping, small piping done on the neck, so it look very different. These are all buttas actually, weaving buttas, not printed from above. And you'll have this red color bottom with this, and different dupatta again, netted dupatta with all over embroidery over it. I got 4 color combinations in this. The range is quite reasonable, only 950 range. If you are looking for something bright colors, you can definitely go for this color chart. See, red color with mustard color bottom. This is green with navy blue color bottom and dupatta. This is royal blue with pink color bottom and chunni. So all the 4 colors are really bright, really party wear collections. If you're looking something for bright color chart in silks, you can definitely go in for this. We'll get them stitched and send it to place. And if you're looking something for dusty chart, you can go for this dress, this pattern. I got 4 colors in this. All 4 colors are again dusty chart. Beautiful dress, very decent work done on the neck. Very decent work done on the neck with applique and beadwork over it, and small mirrors scattered throughout the dress. And this I've got a navy blue color combination of bottom and dupatta also. Very different dupatta with all print, same grey color print over it. And the range for this one is quite reasonable. It's only 990. You just see the color chart of the dress. Beautiful color chart you're having in this. You have this yellow color with again navy blue combination. You got this nice pink with again a blue combination. So all the colors are really bright, really different, really excellent. Need not think twice for this color combinations. All are really good. See the color chart, very beautiful color chart. Next variety what I'm showing is very equally good, very different variety. You might not have this kind of combination. Very nice green color over this, and you've got this weaving buttas all over. Chanderi silk top with all Banarsi weaving buttas all over the top. These are all buttas actually, they're not print buttas. And this is all handwork done on the neck. This French knots, kundan work, bead work. And you'll have a red color bottom in contrast. This is a red color bottom in contrast. And you'll have an excellent dupatta along with this one. A digital print dupatta. This is a digital print dupatta. A range for this is again quite reasonable. It's only 1260 range only. Very different variety. You might not be having this combination and with this chunni. So excellent variety. Range is only 1260. Don't miss the collections. Collections are really good, really excellent. This is one more variety what I'm showing you right now. Very different blue color with again the base of the is in Chanderi silk, and you'll have Banarsi buttas in Chanderi silk. So cloth itself look very rich, and you'll have a decent embroidery pattern done on the neck with French knots, bead work, kundan work, and small mirrors again scattered throughout the dress. Color combination is really bright, really excellent, and you'll have this green color bottom in this with complements with the French knots given in the dress, and you'll have a very lightweight dupatta. This dupatta is in tissue with Banarsi buttas actually. So very excellent, different. It's a totally lightweight. It looks very heavy, but it's totally lightweight, and combination wise it's totally different, and the range is also quite reasonable. Range is only 1260 range again. Very different variety. You can have a look at the dress. Very different piece, 1260 range only. Next variety what I'm showing is similar to this variety. This is in black one. This is in raw silk. The earlier what I showed you in one Chanderi silk. This will come in raw silk, and very decent work done on the neck in black color. These are all again buttas actually. They're not print. They're again buttas, which is helped again by French knots, bead work, kundan work, and small mirrors scattered again throughout the neck. You'll have this red color, black color bottom with this, and you'll have this very different Banarsi dupatta. Excellent dupatta. If you don't have this kind of collections, you definitely go in for this collections. The collections are really good, and range for this one is 1340 range only. So excellent variety for 1340. Really party wear look. So friends, if you like this collections, you can directly buy from our website, or you can just ping us on our WhatsApp number. We'll get back to you. And please like our video, share our video, and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you soon with new collections. Thank you very much.